Hope you guys can hear that. You know what that sound means? Birds are chirping, bees and butterflies are buzzing all over the place. That means spring is here. Maybe not all around the country, but definitely here in Florida. It is definitely time for pre-emergent. Now, I know I said in a previous video I'm not going to put pre-emergent in the front, hence this video up here. But things have changed. And since I'm doing comparisons of store-bought and online purchases, well, it doesn't hurt. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a pre-emergent down. But I stick to what I said. A thick lawn will help fight off weeds, and you could skip pre-emergents from time to time. So with that being said, we are going to put store-bought products and online products in my front and back lawn. I went to my local Lowe's store and got these two guys to put in my backyard, and then I also got these two guys online for my front. Intrigued? I hope you are, because we are putting two pre-emergents down at the same time. We're not going to just utilize prodiamine, and the reason for that is I'm trying to tackle one weed in particular with the other item, and that is nutsedge. Okay, now that I'm set up here, a couple of things that I want to share with you guys first. The first thing is proper PPE. Wear your gloves. Use these items in a well-ventilated area. Pay attention to temperature, because this particular item, Sulfentrazone, that we're going to be using, it's not good to spray when it's about 90 degrees or over. Okay, if your temperatures reach that high, wait till morning or wait till later on in the evening when temperatures are cooler to put this application down. And prodiamine as well. This is a granular form, and as soon as I open this, you guys are going to see a smoke come out of the yellow prodiamine chemical that's in here. So please open this in a well ventilated area, wear proper PPE, and pay attention to label rates. Alright, so the first thing we have to do is mix our product, and in order to do that we need to fill up our backpack sprayer at least halfway of what we're spraying. I'm spraying 2,500 square feet, so I'm going to fill this up to about 1 gallon, add my product in, fill it up the rest of the way, and then agitate the product. As far as the sulfentrazone, we only need, as a DIYer or homeowner, you only need 2.5 milliliters, ml, of this product per every 1,000 square feet. Now you may say, oh my god, that is a small amount, but the answer is fairly simple. A syringe. Okay, this has a blunt needle. I hope you guys can see that. It's not sharp whatsoever. All right, it's not sharp. This is made to use for like candle scents or liquids to disperse and transfer somewhere else. And this is measured in milliliters. So all you got to do is find the 10. Okay, we need about 6.25 milliliters. So every line is 2 milliliters. So 2, 4, 6, and then a little bit more. That's what I need for my yard. So for every 1,000 square feet, you need 2.5 milliliters. And for the prodiamine product, you need 5.2 grams per every 1,000 square feet. So you guys are going to see me mix this, but I'm talking the application rate now because you guys are just going to see the mixing part. Catch you guys in a little bit. Wanted to bring this close on camera. So every line is 2 milliliters, and I need 2.5 for every 1,000 square feet. So I have 2,500 square feet. So that means I need 2, 4, and it's just a little bit above the 6. I don't know if you guys could tell. Okay, there's an air bubble here, so it's not really all the way up there where it is. It's just above the 6. Okay, so again, I used a blunt needle, and that's how I get my milliliters. Now we're ready to spray, and before we do that, 2 quick tips. One thing I'm going to pay attention to is wind. I want to avoid any drift of this product going into anywhere I don't want it to. So as soon as I feel a small little gust of wind, if it happens, you may see me pause in the video. I'm letting that wind go by, and then I'm going to continue my spraying. The second thing is I'm going to be using an air induction jet. Okay, I want these particles to be a lot bigger because I want this to easily go down to the top of the soil where this needs to be activated with water. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and spray the front. All right, this is a good example about drift in the wind. There's some kids playing next door, and I definitely want to avoid any drift going to that way. So I'm actually going to be spraying. Sideways instead of up and down. Since there's kids over there, I stopped about 3 feet from the property line. That's okay. I guess I'll put some granular prodiamine there maybe tomorrow. It won't have the sulfentrazone, but it's all right. Yeah, I avoided any drift going into that location. I stopped about 3 feet from that line, so you know, in case their ball does go up to the fence or anything, you know, that area is definitely not sprayed. So little tip there. All right, now we're gonna have to water this in, and while it's getting water, we're gonna start
out here on the street. I'm losing my way.
So as I mentioned, the equivalent to that is going to have to be a local big box store prodiamine or diapir pre-emergent and a image product. Now this in particular is for warm season only. I am not 100% sure if the other version of image you could use it in cool season. Please don't quote me on that. I am just telling you that this in particular works for my grass. And if you guys remember my weed killer video, I always said read the label, make sure it says safe for fill in the blank your grass type. So this one in particular is safe for St. Augustine grass. And this bag covers 20,000 square feet, but we only need 2,500 square feet worth of this product. So that means this 50-pound bag that covers 20,000 square feet, I need, I think it's 2.5 pounds of this product, roughly between 2.5 to 3 pounds of this product per 1,000 square feet. So I should be looking at about 7 to 8 pounds of prodiamine for my backyard. This image product covers 5,000 square feet and it's 32 ounces. So that means by the time I'm done spraying, I should have 16 ounces left, which on the side view here, I got the hose end sprayer one. On the side view mirror here, it's marked off the ounce rate. So there's a 16 here, So if there's a lot less, I spray too much. If there's a lot more, it's okay. At least I got some type of coverage down. We like to get complete good coverage, but hey, it's better to be under than over, I say. So I should be at 16 ounces by the time I'm done spraying here. Now, again, the reason I'm using Image is because it has sulfentrazone, and I'm using that as its pre-emergent properties. This is also a post-emergent herbicide, but if you get it quick enough down to the soil, it will act as a pre-emergent for your lawn. Okay, again, what we're going after is nutsedge. So I'm going to measure all this out here on camera, and then we're going to without seeing your face. Oh. You gave me your heart and took it away. I'm going underground, till your loving comes around, going underground, 'cause your love is not around anymore. Going underground, yeah. Going underground, yeah. Okay, so that's done. Now we got to put the hold up. Tip: there's going to be granulars if you do this in the front. I could see them here on my back porch. Blow all this out. And now we're going to the spraying. So, as I mentioned, this is a 32-ounce bottle that covers 5,000 square feet. So when I'm done, I should have roughly 2,500 square feet worth of product, which is 16 ounces. Let's see if I got that calculation in my walking correct. Where there was a spark, there's now only doubt. No, I've said it before, I'll say it again. Oh, I thought you were sure, now you're losing. I'm going underground, till your loving comes around, going underground, 'cause your love is not around. I am at 15 ounces, so almost dead on, and I just finished spraying. So now we have to water this in as well. Okay, right away, water in. We don't want the post-emergent effect of this, we want the pre-emergent effect of this, so we got to water this in right away. So I cannot give you any final thoughts here. I know, surprising. And the reason behind that is because this is pre-emergent. I have to see how it works. I will document it and give you an update video along the way, maybe 2 or 3 months down the road, and I will tell you, hey, in my backyard I saw X and O amount of weeds, and these are the ones that popped out, versus my front lawn, X and O amount of weeds, and these are the ones that popped out. If any pop out, maybe they both work just as well. And it's all about preference. Do you want to go to the store and buy these items to utilize for your lawn? Sure. Do you want to buy it online and have it delivered to your door? Sure. Online is costly up front, but long term you will save money. Versus store, it's a little bit cheaper up front, but long term it's going to cost you a lot more. So there's give or take there, guys. So it's really all about preference on what you guys like in either side. Me personally, I like the online version. Maybe for my house, I will now use Sunnyland's Prodiamine store-bought granulars for my home. And I don't know, I really don't know. Time will tell. But let me know in the comments which one you guys prefer. And it's not even, you don't even have to say online this and store-bought that. You can mix and match, you know. There's nothing wrong there at all. So it's all about preference. I'm just here to show you the right way to do things, the application rates, how to put it down, and show you the variations. So that's what the goal is this year. So we have our pre-emergent down. We'll do a split pre-emergent app later on. I'm not going to film that. It's going to be the same exact shit. So here it is. But real soon, in the next 2 weeks, I will be putting down my first application of fertilizer. And again, these are fertilizers I have never used before. There will be a store-bought, and I already have the online one. This is going to be first time reactions. I don't know what to expect. I'm excited, I'm happy, but I will be disappointed if I don't get the results that I would hope that I've seen other videos say these results are great. Here's what it is. I'll be honest with you guys. All of this is purchased with my money, so I have no reason to lie. If I'm upset about something, I will let you know. So I hope you guys are around for that. With that being said, thank you guys for being a part of this video. I hope 2023 is great and exciting for you guys as it is for me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey.